Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 11th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this first move down is either an A or a 1. This is three waves up for either a B or a 2. I think it's more likely an A and a B, and I think this is more likely to turn into a downtrend, most likely for a wave C. I think more likely going down to one of these two Fibonacci extension levels if it is a wave C, or if it really is a wave 3, it could possibly go all the way down to the 161% Fibonacci extension. Either way, I definitely don't think it's important to know whether we're looking at a C or a 3 at this point, because either way, it should turn into a significant downtrend. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is a 1. I still think this is a 2. I think there's a pretty good likelihood that the wave 2 is over and then we are going to go down for a wave 3, probably a 1, 2, 3 of C. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is definitely 5 waves down. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think there's a good chance this is already over. It looks like an impulsive uptrend A, 3 waves down B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like a very overlapping 5-way pattern, which tells me it's probably an ending diagonal wave C. If that's the case, then this is probably an ABC of 2. It's probably already going down for a wave 3. Now, that doesn't mean there won't be some significant pullbacks on shorter time frames, but I always look at pullbacks as a good opportunity to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I always look at pullbacks as nothing to fear. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely already got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape right here. Maybe it's already made a 1. Maybe this is already an A. This is going to go down for a B, up for a wave C. Tomorrow is CPI for the US dollar, so if it ends up looking anything like this, then I would say that there's a very good likelihood it's going to go down for a wave 3. But whether it happens at tomorrow's CPI news or if it happens later on, I'm definitely still looking at this as an ABC correction, most likely a wave 2, and then most likely going back down for that wave 3. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a very impulsive move up. Looks like a trend, so it probably is a wave A. This is very corrective, so it probably is a wave B. At some point, I do think it is going to turn up and go at least to the 50, maybe more likely to 61.8, so that way it takes out these highs and grabs some of this big liquidity right here. So I think the 61.8 might even be a more likely area for this to end the wave C, hopefully end the wave 2, and continue the downtrend for a wave 3. So depending on what kind of trader you are, you could definitely be looking for longs at the end of a wave B, exit your longs at the end of a wave C when you see a breaker starts to the downside, and then go short again for the continuation of the downtrend for hopefully the wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.